Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a collaboration video. So, this collaboration is called Friday Fave Paper Pad. It's hosted by Helen. She's Cosmo's Crafty Mom here on YouTube. And the whole reason for this collab is to share a paper pad that you love. It doesn't have to be new. It can be used. It can be new. So I wanted to join this collaboration because I really love paper and I thought I would share some of my favorite paper pads. So today I'd like to share my Simple Stories 6x8 paper pad, Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. It's 24 papers. I love this paper pad. The colors are so vibrant. Just reminds you of spring and summer. And let's take a look. So this paper pad is pretty well loved. I have saved every little bit of scraps that I've had from it. And you can see I've even written on the back of some of the pages that I've cut out that I'm going to use on future cards. So I have already inked this up on the side with my Versa Fine, I'm pretty sure black. But isn't that pretty? That's going to be a gorgeous card. What about that one? Yeah. And then there's some cut aparts that I have here. And look at that. Squeeze the day. Life is good. And just look at that. It's like a library card. Isn't that neat? So let's look at some of the pages here. So this one, of course, has what apparently is my all-time favorite, bees for some reason, on paper. On paper, not real bees, paper bees. And then the flip side of that says, be sweet, be kind. How sweet is that? And then this one says, soak up the sunshine, with the doily in the back. This would make such a pretty, under a frame with the bird. And then the flip side is this distress polka dot. And then you have this page with the distressed polka dot in white and teal. And then the plaid with the saying, life is good, with the picture of the paper clothespin and the doily and the ribbon. That's so pretty. And then this one says Singer's Lemon Soda. And it says Robertson Silver Shred Lemon Marmalade. If you guys like marmalade, my mom liked marmalade, bless her heart. I did not like marmalade. And then it says, when life gives you lemon, make lemonade. Everyone's heard that. I love this black doily here with the pretty floral designs on the flip side. And then you have the black and white gingham, or plaid as I called it earlier. You bring the zest, enjoy the good, Singer's Lemon Soda, squeeze the day, and you shine. And on the, I showed the flip side. So I think I have this paper backwards. And then this is really pretty with the teal and yellow butterflies and flowers. Love this color. And then on the flip side, it's the yellow with the dish. Oh, no, wrong one. It's the bees. Oh, my bees. So it's some really pretty bees here. Then we have the yellow, which has cut aparts. On the flip side, be kind, squeeze the day, sweet life, life is good. And then it starts over with soak up the sunshine, and then repeats. So this is a really gorgeous paper pad. It's by Simple Stories, and it's called the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist 6x8 paper pad. I hope you enjoyed that flip through. And if you'd like to join this collaboration, here's the hashtag once again. It's Friday Fave Paper Pad. And as the hashtag clues you in, these are posted on Friday. So check out the other crafters' favorite paper and join if you'd like. So I'll see you next time. Thanks.